Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is November 4th, 2015, and today is Wednesday. So looking at the economic calendar, chock full of nuts coming out today. Lots of news coming out on the economic calendar. At 10 a.m., we have ECB President Draghi speaking, and then at 11:30 a.m., GBP service PMI number coming out. 3:15 South African time, we have a U.S. dollar preliminary ADP non-farm payroll employment change, and then later in the day at 3:30 South African time, Canadian dollar and USD trade balance coming out. Late in the day, 5 p.m., we have a Fed Chairman Yellen will be testifying in front of Congress, so it should be kind of interesting. So lots of news coming out, and yesterday we saw a little bit better trading volatility wise. As we look here at the this is looking at the the Euro USD. We sold off a little bit from 1017. We're now 928, almost 100 pips. Okay, so it was at this level once it sold off yesterday and continued to sell off. Okay, and we're now at 109.19. So looking at a 4-hour chart, we're getting closer to this threshold right here, 109.21, and we're right there on a daily chart. We're right back down. So it could be interesting for something you might want to pick it up for at these levels right here. Looking at the Aussie USD, okay, we haven't looked at this for a while. The Aussie's been really taking off for a while. As you can see here, we've rallied more than a couple of hundred pips here over the last couple of weeks. So it's relatively a strong currency. Recently, after its debacle to 0.69, we had a double bottom here and then rallying right back. So, we're right here in the middle. Let's see, right here between these two extremities. Or somewhere in the middle, we're heading higher. If we continue going up higher here, this is also a major threshold right here. As it's been a previous resistance support, and now the question is it going to continue going higher here? So I'll keep an eye on the Aussie USD, as it's been a little bit more volatile than the GBP USD and some of the others. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen though, we continue to going up higher here. Looking at this chart yesterday, we rallied a few hundred pips over the past couple of weeks, so it could continue to rally. I'd keep an eye on it to see for any continuation there. Looking at gold, okay, and gold just is screaming in front of me. As I'm looking at gold here, gold really sold off quite hard here yesterday to today, about 20 points. We broke this threshold at 11:38, and now we're trading at 11:18. The question is, at this stage, are we going to continue going down, or are we going to just hang out over here? We've been here before at these levels. Okay, these just a lot of lines here, but it's been very choppy with the gold, and we've been at these levels before. That's not precisely the right place to put it. We've been at this level before. Question is, are we going to bounce off of it? We've bounced before, kind of challenged it before, used it as a support before. So 11:13, 11:15ish. Let's see if we maintain this level. Looking at oil here, oil rallied over the past couple of days. We dipped below $44, and then we rallied on Monday to $45, and we continue this rally to $47 today. So let's see if this momentum continues, and maybe we could hit $49 a barrel. I purposely left out the Dow Jones. Now we could cover the Dow Jones. Dow Jones just ripping through, continuously running higher highs. Yesterday we rallied over 100 points, and we sold off a little bit, and we ended up just being up 89 points for the day. But as you can see, we're right back to almost close to all-time highs. So looking at this, you have to keep an eye on to see if this is going to continue going up higher. And it's a little bit tricky because as we get to a threshold, you think that there's going to be a reversal, or I can't go higher, it's already gone so high, and sure and behold, it goes even higher. So it is a little bit tricky when you're trying to catch a move, especially when you're following it a couple of days, and then by the third day you kind of lost momentum for it, and it's gone ahead of you, and you don't feel like chasing it anymore. So it's never a good position to be chasing something, but anticipating something always. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.